Whenever people hear about Nnewi, what comes to the minds of many is Nkwọ Nnewi. To some, it is automobile spare parts. There has always been this thought that Nnewi has just one market that is called Nkwọ Nnewi. That is a misconception. Rather, Nkwọ Nnewi stands for a cluster of all the markets in Nnewi. People casually use Nkwọ Nnewi to refer to all the big markets in Nnewi because they are all clustered along each other. What this means is that one can trek from one big market in Nnewi to another within the space of 30 minutes to 1 hour. In this video, I will list all the major markets in Nnewi and what are being sold in all of them. First, we have the new motorcycle spare parts market. This is where brand new motorcycle spare parts of different brands are sold. Complete brand new motorcycles are also sold in this market. This is the market that produced billionaires like Innoson, Gabros, Ogbuawa, Gabros, and so many other billionaires and millionaires. The second is AGBO-EDO motor spare parts market. This is where brand new motor spare parts are sold. Both trucks and small vehicle spare parts are sold in this market. This motor spare parts market is the second largest in Nigeria. People from different countries, different states in Nigeria come to Nnewi to buy from this market. That is how big it is. The third on the list is NWAGBARA market. This market is an amazing market. This is where the creativity is. This market is where you find the fabricators. In this market, fairly used motorcycle spare parts are sold in this market. Complete fairly used motorcycles are sold in this market. Complete brand new motorcycles are sold in this market. Tricycles are sold in this market. Fabrications of different sorts are being done inside this market. This market is a market of hidden millionaires and billionaires. Inside this NWAGBARA market, you will see people by the roadsides that are coupling motorcycles from scratch. Coupling motorcycles. You can't believe it. They do it like it's nothing. That is how creative people in this market are. The next is generator parts market. As the name implies, this is the market where you buy your brand new generators and your generator spare parts. The next is Nkwọ Nnewi general market. This is the market that is called AFIA, which means inside market. This is the biggest of all the markets by land mass. In this market, you'll get to buy different items from provisions to drugs to food items to clothes to everything, general items, goods. This is the market where all of them are being sold. The next is electrical parts market. This is a market where electrical parts are sold. Electrical parts like cables, sockets, and bulbs and the rest. This is the market where you buy all of them. And the next is building materials market. This is the market where you buy your building materials, your cements, your rods, your doors, your pipes, everything, name it, overhead tank. This is the market where you buy it at the cheapest rate, wholesale and retail. This is the right market for you. And the last is timber dealers market, OSISI. This is the market where people that deal on timbers stay. In this market, timbers are being cut and processed into woods and planks that are used for building purposes. This is the market where you buy your planks, your woods for buildings and whatever purpose that you may wish to use it for. So my people, I hope I've been able to educate you with this video that Nnewi does not have just one market that is called Nkwọ Nnewi. Rather, Nnewi have so many big markets, and that is why Nnewi is called a commercial city. There are some other small markets that I did not mention in this video, as I focus mainly on the big ones. So just help me by sharing this video for other people to learn about Nnewi markets. It could be of help to someone out there. Bye for now.